Good morning, children. In last class, we have discussed about organ systems of our body. Today, we are going to learn a new topic. Children, what are the accidents have you heard of? A college student hurt badly while boarding a running bus. Child falls from the terrace trying to catch a kite. 3 die in a house collapse. Yes, these are the accidents have you heard of. So, which accidents can happen in your homes? Some dangerous could be slipping on wet floor, falling off a stool, falling off a balcony, getting electric shock, scissors or razor blade in the bathroom, or falling out of a window or from a balcony with a broken railing. First, we will learn new words. Safety, accidents, fracture, staircase, dangerous, firecrackers, rooftops, footpath, traffic signals, road, electrical switches. So, we will find out about dangerous at home and make safety rules for homes. Keeping safe from accident is important for all of us. Accidents can happen anywhere, at home, in school, on road, or in the playground. Homes are considered safe places, but there are many dangers even inside homes. One can slip if the floor is wet and get hurt or fracture a bone. Running or playing inside the house can be risky. Playing with pointed things or glass can cause cuts. Poking into electric switches can be dangerous. Lighting firecrackers during Diwali can cause burns. One can fall down a staircase or from rooftop. Flying kites. Some important safety rules at home. Wipe the floor if it is wet. Do not play with breakable or pointed things. Have a bucket full of water nearby when lighting firecrackers. Do not fly kites on rooftops or chase kites across rooftops. Do not touch electrical switches with wet hands. These are the important safety rules at home. Children, have you heard about any road traffic accident? Yes. Why this happen? Accidents can happen if you are not careful on the road. Some ways in which accidents could happen on the road are slipping on the road, falling off a cycle, getting hurt by a vehicle when crossing the road, slipping and falling when running to cross the road, getting hurt by a vehicle when not walking on the footpath. These accidents can be prevented by following safety rules. Example, walk on the footpath, use the zebra crossing to cross the road, no cycling well before riding a cycle on the road, see left, right and then left while crossing the road, do not play on the road. Hold the cycle with both hands while riding. Do not race while cycling on the road. Do not talk on telephone while walking or crossing the road. Some important safety rules while walking or cycling on the road. Walk on the footpath. Look to your right, then left and then right again before crossing the road. Learn to ride a cycle well before riding it on the road. Follow traffic signals while walking or driving on the road. These are some important safety rules. So children, you should be very careful on the roads. Children, today's homework, write true or false and learn. Okay, one time in your notebook. Safety is a state of mind. Bye children, take care, have a nice day.